I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
That I would just truly encourage everybody to go and learn as much about the monetary system as possible. Like learning about things within Bitcoin, or if you're still in the crypto space more so, and you're transitioning into your final evolutionary form, which is Bitcoin, then that's fine too. Like we all come from different roads, right? But we all meet at the same destination. That destination is Bitcoin. But try to learn as much as you possibly can about the monetary system. Google the Bank of International Settlements after this and figure out what they do. Figure out how money is created in your country. Maybe you don't live in the United States, but if you do, look at the Federal Reserve. Look at the IMF and the World Economic Forum, and look at what these organizations, these para-governmental organizations do, and educate yourself on it, because the need for Bitcoin becomes abundantly clear as soon as you have educated yourself on these things. People talk about, you love to hear about people talk about these ephemeral problems with our systems, whether it's, some sort of inequality,
symptoms, not the disease.
or healthcare outcomes, or any of the different things, any of the problems that politicians talk about, right? Those aren't the problems. Those are symptoms of the problem. The problem is something far deeper, and the problem is that our money is fundamentally broken. You are trying to treat a symptom versus trying to cure a disease. The disease is the broken monetary system. The disease is not inequality.
But the symptoms make money.
Yeah, the fucking inequality is just the rash that you get on your arm. The disease is that cancer, right?
But why fix things when you can make money off of the symptom?
Yeah, exactly. And again, you tell the fish that the water's broken, they're like, what the fuck do you mean? We're swimming just fine.